Shemai! This is a ukulele tutorial for Jingle Bells. Now I don't know about you, but I love Christmas, so I'm really looking forward to doing this one. And if you haven't already been there, there's a matching play-along video on my Ukuleleans channel, and I'll pop a link to that in the description below. Okay, so the chords. 4 nice straightforward chords. The first one is a C, then an F, then a G7, and finally a D7. And we use a simplified version of that chord just to make life a little bit easier. If you're not sure how to play any of the chords, check the chords charts because it'll tell you which frets and strings to play, and the numbers are your fingers. So let's have a little look at the strumming. Now, I'm only suggesting these, but there are 3 different patterns according to your standard. So for easy, maybe you're an absolute beginner, okay, and you can do downs. Have a go with this. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Okay, or even jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Alright, just so you can get going with the song. If you're a little bit more confident and you're okay with down and ups, have a little go of down, up, down, down, up, down, which actually fits with the Jingle Bells rhythm and should sound like this. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Okay? Or the more traditional down, down, up, down, down, up, which should sound something like this. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Or, if you're quite a confident strummer and can strum quite fast, have a go with the harder version. Now then, let's have a go. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, and so on. Entirely up to you, they're just suggestions. Okay, so let's have a play through the song. It starts on a C chord. I'm going to try and do the medium strum pattern, down, up, down, down, up, down. I may stray on to another one. Okay, get yourselves ready. Here we go, C to start. 1, 2, 3. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now the ground is white and the night is young. Take a sleigh tonight and join us in this song. Just get a bobtail ready, get ready for a run. Then hitch into a sleigh and now we'll have some fun. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Okay, I hope that has helped. Don't forget, there's a matching play-along video on the Ukuleleans channel. Nadolig Llawen. Merry Christmas.